Ladies and gentlemen, this is the vacuum forming machine. It's a decent size, just the bin is not deep enough. Consists of tray, swivel thingamajiggy, another swivel thingamajiggy, on-off buttons that don't actually work, some cable, I haven't got a clue what it really does, but it looks funky where it is. And in here, if you can barely see, is an oven. That's exactly what it is. It's an oven. Goes up to about just over 90 degrees, not very hot, 90 to 120 degrees Celsius. It's for some thermal plastics, some more gauges, some don't work. This I don't know what it does anymore, it doesn't work anything either. There's another switch, this one does work. That's for the vacuum. It's like that's forward and that's brake. So if you want to go in reverse really quickly, you pull on that handle. We got a nice swivel thing, like I said. Goes over the Eva. Empty tray, which is now quite hot. It's completely empty underneath there. And this is where the magic happens. You get everything clamped in there, and you have to watch the Eva as it mountains and does all kinds of weird bubbling, rippling. You can't really see it in the camera, but it expands because of air. A huge big bubble. And slowly, as that air is kind of escaped or trapped out or otherwise, then it slowly sinks down. So the Eva is actually melting. I've got a test shape in there at the moment, which is probably going to break, but I'm using it for a test for material. The Eva seems to be hot enough. It's doing all kinds of funny, bumbly, rubbly things. Seems to be hot enough. And it's still rising. Shouldn't be rising that badly. Let's just test it. That's where the weak point is. So we flip on our things. Switch that switch. I've got a test shape in there at the moment, which is probably going to break, but I'm using it for a test for material. The Eva seems to be hot enough. It's doing all kinds of funny, bumbly, rubbly things. Seems to be hot enough. And it's still rising. Shouldn't be rising that badly. Let's just test it. That's where the weak point is. So we flip on our things. Switch that switch. A lot of noise. I'm just going to tease it. I'm actually surprised it hasn't burst. It's got so many rough edges in it. I'm very surprised it hasn't burst. Problem is, now I can't reuse it. Damn. Always use the heat gun. That does nothing. There you go. Now that's off. Let's go see. Hey, it didn't burn or bake. Awesome, it withstood the heat. It's a miracle, it's alive!